Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today for another video tutorial. Try to get my camera in place. Today we're going to do a fun fold card. I wanted to show you what we're going to be doing using the Reindeer Fun stamp set and the designer paper. We don't need the dies for this one. We do need the squares out of the Stylish Shapes dies. But when we open, so we have a little flap and then our sentiment right there. Isn't that cute? And then it just closes up just like that. Okay, let's get started. I will post measurements on my blog so you can see how you need to cut. Okay, so we're going to start with just a base of real red. And then we have a piece of our designer paper. This is the bell one. We're using both sides of this paper today. And when I adhere this, I only want to adhere on the sides. I'm just doing the 4 sides and not in the middle because we're going to die cut. Make sure I get it up right side up on my card base. We're going to die cut this square out of the middle here. So my goal is to hopefully get it centered. Kind of using the upper part of my grid paper to get this in place. And I think I'm going to grab just a little piece of our Post-it note tape to hold it, because nothing worse than getting it going and then it comes out and it's all at an angle, because then we'd have to start over. All right. We do want to open this up because we're not cutting through the whole card. We're just cutting through the top layer. Make sure that's still in place. We'll run this through. We're die cutting through a couple layers. So let's make sure that cut through. It did cut through. Okay. Whoops. Now, it cuts out that paper. We don't need that, so I'm going to save that for something else. And then it also cuts through the red, which fell out. Hold on. It went under my desk. Let me get that picked up. Cut out the red as well. So we are going to use this one. And then I've already die cut a smaller white one using the same dies. So what I'm going to do is, let's do our stamping real quick. We're just stamping a couple sentiments. So on this white one, we're going to stamp "Christmas is better together." I'm going to leave it on the red so I can kind of see to hopefully get this centered. I'm going to do it a little slightly above center, hopefully. All right, and then the inside, I'm not going to glue this in yet, but I want to make sure I get it stamped pretty much in the center. Not that we're going to see it through the window, but you'll see in a minute why we want to do this. Oh, I can kind of tell by looking here. All right. So that's all the stamping we need to do. Okay, now here's, we have a piece of the other side of that paper with the bells, and I've already just kind of trimmed it here, and then I have a little flap right here that's going to glue, let's see, it's going to glue right behind our paper, or right behind our sentiment. But I want to make sure that this is centered right about there. I want it centered in my window. If it's off with just a hair, it won't matter because we're not going to see it through the window, but it's going to be holding on to something through the window. Okay. We'll get this centered on the inside of our card. All right. Now that's just going to come through, and then what we're going to do is glue our red one to right here. So I'm just going to put some adhesive, make sure it stays within the window, and then I can use the window as a guide to fit this right inside. So now it should just pop out like that, pop in and out, and then we can adhere this with a couple of dimensionals. We'll do 3. We'll do 1, 2, and then 1 on the bottom. If you want to do 4, you can, but I think it will hold plenty well with just 3. And we're going to pop that up right in the middle of the opening. Isn't that cute? See, so easy. Sometimes you look at something, you're not sure how hard or easy it's going to be. Then I have a reindeer. Now this is cut out of the designer paper. It has a presents on one side and then the reindeer on the other. I did cut this out ahead of time just because you don't need to see me hand cutting everything. It takes a couple minutes. I had cut a whole bunch of these out, and then because this is going to come out like this, I don't have to worry about it being too much in the way, so I can overlap my reindeer a little bit, and then it kind of slides out, so it's not really interfering with the little reindeer. Isn't that cute? Okay, let's grab a couple of our peppermint, self-adhesive back peppermints. Now these are currently out of stock, but they will be back in October. So still in plenty of time for Christmas. I love these, and apparently everybody else does too, because they keep selling out. But these come in 3 sizes. So we have a large, we have medium, and then we have small. And you get a bunch of them. How many come in here? 150. So that would be 50 of each size. That's a lot of embellishments, and they are so cute. So as soon as these come back in stock, you want to make sure you get a pack of those, or 2. I would get 1 for now, 1 to save for later. And that's it. Isn't that sweet? I will post measurements on my blog, and don't forget, you'll get a pack of cards and embellishments maybe, and depending on your order this month. Make sure to use the host code if your order is below $150. If it's more, you don't have to. I'll know that you place that order, and I'll get all your free goodies to you as well. All right, thanks for everybody. Make sure to click subscribe, and make sure to also sign up for my newsletter. I'll include that link below. I'm going to be doing some new things for my email subscribers, so you don't want to miss out on that. All right, thanks everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.